Good morning, Bohol! Good morning, teachers! And good morning, everyone. To all of you who are right now, I'm sure uh, very excited for our another free webinar on mobile app development application part 2. So again, I welcome you all to this SDO Bohol Contextualized Webinars Part 2. So I hope you are feeling good. O gasa mo karon, I hope you are feeling good. And I can sense that many of us are really have the heart of learning. So that's very good. And I'm sure our bosses, Sir Dagatan, I am pretty sure malipayon kay sa nagtanaw nato karon. So, to start our session for this morning, I would like to request everyone to put ourselves in the holy presence of God. So let us pray. Dear Almighty and ever-loving God, we glorify and thank Thee, your name. You have showered us with so much blessings, and your presence continuously remind us of your faithfulness and guidance. May we humbly ask you to shower our speakers today of your greatest inspiration so that they may share the most of their knowledge, heart, and soul to their respective topics. May we also absorb the invaluable knowledge, experiences, and put it into practice what we may learn today. We pray that you bless all the committees in charge that they may be able to fulfill their task responsibly, that the objectives they have to set may all be achieved. Your infinite blessing would mean the success of the seminar. May we be a living witnesses of your genuine love through the enactment of the knowledge acquired through this activity. We ask this in the name of Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. Amen. Again, good morning and welcome once again to our SDU Bohol Contextualized Webinars Part 2. So, for this morning, again, we will have our topic on mobile app development Part 2. So, let us see unsa kay twist ni Sir nga ihatag nato. Kay last time, di ba naghatag ni Sir nato og about mobile app development, and let us see unsa kaha ang twist nato ani niya. Now, reminder di ay to our STU Boho Contextualized Webinars Part 2 will include the following topics. Online assessment tools, I guess that was last Monday by Sir Bunyao. And then for today, we have mobile app development part 2. And on July 24, we have creating interactive learning material using the AXE learning application. And on July 27, we have other EdTech tools. On July 29, we have DepEd Bohol LMS Part 1. And on July 31, we have DepEd Bohol LMS Part 2. So, without further ado, let's proceed to kay murag mao po ni atong kanunay rabang gikahinaman how to download our e-certificates. Unsaon kuno nato pag-download ang atong e-certificates. And I would like to remind everyone to please follow the steps carefully to avoid problems in getting our e-certificates. Kay up to this time, murag na paghihapon. And as of last time di ay, and we hope that this time wala na unta ang magka-problema sa ilang e-certificates. Okay, we are actually giving you the steps, and if you really have to follow, I guess there will be no problem. So, first step, we have access the search gene portal at https colon double slash searchgene dipedbohol.net. Again, access the search engine portal at https colon double slash searchgene.depedbohol.net. And how to access, of course, you have to open a browser. Any browser nga naa ninyo. Unsa man po ning browser or search engine? Kanang ato bitong gamiton when we open our Facebook in our laptop. Instead nga www.facebook.com nga itong type on the address bar. So we have to type in https colon double slash searchgene.dipedbohol.net. Next step, key in the email address you used to answer the end of session evaluation and assessment form for the particular session. So after sa atong session no, we are given the evaluation. So you are given a link to have our evaluation and assessment for this particular session. So don't forget og unsay atong gigamit nga email address pag access ato niya nga link. And if possible, please use one cell phone or one device only for one teacher. Kaya aron dili ta magka-problema. Especially sa kanang basig suod ra kay ta nya magamit ta og same phone. To avoid na lang, please make use of our phone. Or if ang isa cellphone or laptop ang isa. Okay, next. In the event that the certificate is showing certificate details not found, please refresh the homepage and click on the download icon again. Okay, so you have to refresh. Unsaon man pod pag-refresh. So katong sa address bar bitaw, pwede rato nato i-click og balik. Naputoy mo ra gatuwad nga arrow. Pwede tog atong i-click to refresh, or we can press F5. Number 4, in the event that you really could not see your certificate, use the search certificate facility. So actually we have the search certificate facility. Unsa man ni nga kuan. So we can actually search for our certificate. Okay, I have here more steps gihapon. Again, how to search for your certificate in case it is not in your dashboard. So in case dili makitaan. So we can make use of the search facility. First, again, di ta makadiritso lag ato sa search facility, no? But we have to access again the site. Unsa to nga site? Katong searchgene.depedbohol.net. And then, naa didtoy field nga nakabutang search certificate. So we have to click that one. And then for the third step, input your search text, full name or first name or last name. So for example, Mark Christian. And then after na field nato ni, so we have to click the icon, search. And then for the last one, once found, click the download icon. Okay, so I hope there is no problem with that one. Okay, now, so we are now on our session 7, but actually the session 2 of our part 2. Specifics, so first we have the session is live streamed in the official YouTube channel of the TF or the Task Force ICT platforms and will be replayed in the Facebook page tonight at 7 p.m. Next, for questions, participants may write this in the chat or message box, and this will be answered in the Q&A segment. So if in case you have questions regarding the topic for today, you may write it or on the chat or message box. So marag maayo na kay taan ang live chat na to diha. And then for the next one, participants should stay until the end to see the assessment and evaluation link, which is a requisite to getting the e-certificate. So the assessment link will expire 5 p.m. of the next day. So we still have a lot of time um, to answer the assessment. So until next day pa. So bali ugma pa ang mo expire. So for those nga wa nakakita karon, again, you can still watch our session for this morning later tonight at 7 p.m. And you can still access the assessment link. Now, for the fourth one, the important one, participants can only take the assessment once and should get 6 out of 10 to get the e-certificate. So last time, you have to get 10 out of 10, but there are multiple attempts, no? Pwede raman to siya. But as of this time, again, I would like to reiterate, participants can only take the assessment once. Kausara gyud, and should get 6 out of 10 to get the e-certificate. Okay, for number 5, make sure to check the inputted information on the full name and email field. So request for correction will no longer be honored. So I hope kung anong sad tanong kanang, I know we are all teachers and kanang we can always follow instructions. So I guess kung ma-follow lang kita sa gihatag nga instructions, there will be no problem. And so that is why also kanang on our part, di lang mi kaayo mo kuana sa correction kay especially we are marag gihatag na namo ang tanan, and then when it comes to correction man good, gamay lang mi. Mostly Sir Inad, may murag grabe kayo ka busy na sad, and then og may correction mo nya daghan kayo mo mag lisod na jud kayo. So we are requesting you to please follow the steps na lang, please. Okay, so I guess napaday sa number 6, e-certificates can be claimed via the search engine application accessible via https://searchengine.depedbohol.net 3 days after the session. So di lang pud siguro inagkaugma dayon, no. So 3 days. Give us 3 days after the session. So okay, so I guess that would be all for the specifics. And now, this opportunity to say I'm sorry for the last time that we were together. Murag wa ko kahuman adto. And especially to Sir Inad, murag nakahatag jud burden niya, but later murag na-realize po nako that was the best decision siguro. So the best decision kay si Sir murag nakahatag yung daghan kayo mas nindot pa nga kanang pag-demo, daghan kayo nga information ang nahatag ni Sir adto, because we in the SDO Bohol ICT Task Force ICT platforms, we are actually always aiming, or always our goal is to give you the best. We are actually not focusing only on just one application nga mahatag na mo, or one platform. We are actually giving you kanang choices. Again, why nganong daghang choices? Because lahi-lahi ta og situation. May ang isa pwede ma-apply sa inyo ha. Ang isa sad application or this platform could be applicable to one. So we are actually looking or we are actually giving you options aron nga we can be really be ready for the incoming or kanang opening of classes. Okay, so for the webinar proper, for the session proper, may I have our resource person or our resource speaker? He is actually the master teacher too of Mayor Anunciacion Artuason National School of Fisheries, Calapi District, the senior high school coordinator and the current ICT coordinator of the same school. Of course, he is a member of the task force ICT platforms, and for the very short time nga nakailan ako, sir, he is very approachable and very kanang magitabangon siya, guys, sir. And the man I am referring to is no other than Sir Mark Jennifer, Calapi District. Sir,
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
hi, good morning, Sir Cal. How are you?
Okay na, ma'am. Okay na. I'm fine, ma'am. Okay na ba audio?
Okay na, sir. Okay
Okay
na,
lang,
sir.
audio. Okay.
Okay na, sir.
So, let me start my presentation, ma'am. Can I have the screen,
Oh,
ma'am?
ako nang gi-release, sir.
Okay, sige, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning,
Okay,
Day.
sir.
Good morning to everyone. Na-excite na. Okay. Okay, is my screen is already showing, ma'am? Yes. Mamara, before I will start, akarohon.
Okay, sir. Wait for a while, sir, ha? Oh, nakita, sir. Wait.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Ara. Okay, before I will start my topic day on this part 2 sa mobile app development, you know now, it's OP. Okay, let me pay my respect first. I want to have my greetings sa atong kwan, Division
Excuse me, sir, Kalin.
Superintendent. Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me. Unsa imong gi-share gani, sir? Facebook?
I am yeah, the Facebook account sa atong page, ma'am, kay I will
Okay, okay.
demonstrate
Sige,
how
sir.
to download the kwan,
Okay, sir. Sige.
the file. Okay. Okay, ako sa scroll down. Okay, again, let me greet everyone a happy good morning. Happy good morning ta dyan niya. Happy Buhol Day to everyone. Okay. To our division superintendent, Dr. Benito Dagatan, sir, thank you so much again for this opportunity. To all the heads and the division of Bohol, good morning to everyone, to all the PSDSS. Grabe po ang suporta sa aning webinar series namo. I want also to say good morning to especially sa among district supervisor, no, Dr. Felix Cosap, and to my former district supervisor, Ma'am Mel Bilano, nga nana siya nasa doon sa Loon. All the school heads and the division of Bohol. Labi na sa akong supportive na principal. Ma'am Lay Vanessa Aton, to all the faculty and staff of San Jose National High School and Talibon, headed by the principal, Ma'am Marcela Bautista, and to all the faculty and staff also in the District of Calapi, especially in Mayor Anunciacion Artuason National School of Fisheries, and to all the alumni, mga alumni na ko sa UB, okay? Sa akong former governor during my college days, Lyndon Aton, to all my alumni also friends, sila Sir Linjon, Sir Felix, Sir Glorious, sila Ma'am Shello, Ma'am Alma, and sa tanan nakalimtan. To all the XTIers family, sa ako ang Dean sa una, Sir Aga, which is also a member of the SDO Bohol Task Force ICT platforms. And especially also, I'd like to say thank you sa Baiso Calapi for giving us the opportunity nga ari man makagamit sa ilang office karon kay holiday lagi. So nakahangyo ko sa sa ilahang dean si Ma'am Dr. Mi Ibardo. Thank you so much ma'am for kuan giving us the accreditation room to stay here. Thank you so much again. Okay. So before napaday ko kuan last na ni ha. Okay, for Ginsularan National High School from Duiro District from Ma'am Dalia Militante and also from Leti Elementary School in Binunido, headed by Ma'am Imelda Lorito. Ting maura to tanan ako ang mga gisari. Good morning again to everyone. Okay, before I will start my topic on the mobile app development, disclaimer lang po niya ha. I would like to emphasize also that mo na yung sige balik-balik sa team na mo no nga we are only offering you the choices on what are going to use in this new norms in the delivering of your lesson. We are not enforcing this nga ipagamit jud sa inyo ha. Okay? So amo lang mong gitagan og choice unsay maayo, unsay nindot, unsay applicable sama sa giingon ni Ma'am Ara ganina. Okay? So now this morning, uli mahinay-hinayan na nako kay this is really the common comment last time nga paspas yun pero ako gito sing gituyo kung maningkamot jud ko nga hinayon gyud nako especially the topic this morning is a little bit gamay lang good pod gamay lang feeling on the last nga gibuhat na to on the mobile app development but still we are on the mobile app development but nay upscaling gamay ra jud kaayo. Okay, so dili ta maglibog, dili ta maglisod as long as we are following the instruction. Okay, and also I would like to emphasize no nga sometimes labinag we are not ICT teachers or dili gyud ta inclined sa ICT. Sometimes the first viewing on the tutorial is not enough. So kinahanglan gyud ta mo utro, mo balik tama sa akong part. Same in my case nga it is not enough for me nga mutan-aw lang ko isa ka tutorial para ko makakuha sa ako ang gusto nga objective. So I need to read and read or view and view so that I will be able to meet the objective nga gusto na ko makuha. Same with this idea karon. So kay lisod-lisod ni gamay pero gamay ra lagi pod dili ni siguro natuwa one at a time karon but I urge you also to go back and review unsay mga importante nga dapat balikan labi na sa technicality sa atong buhaton karon. Okay, so I think enough for that disclaimer. Now the first thing akong buhaton karon kay parehas sa pag-upload Sir Inad gabi ga-upload siya atong what to expect and he uploaded also the file to be utilized sa ato nga kuan ron webinar karon. Okay, so what I'm going to share to you now is that how are you going to download the file or the asset nga kinahanglan nato for this webinar. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I will go to the page na to sa SDO Task Force. Okay, and you can see here please also download this asset found. So this is uploaded in the Google Drive. So what I want you to do is you click that one and you will be redirected to Google Drive. Now, it is not automatically downloaded. Kinahanglan pa na nimo siya i-download. Okay? What you have to do is you're going to click the download arrow. There is the upper right part. Okay? The upper right part. Okay, this one. So you download that one to be able to download that file. So I will click that one so that we'll be able to start. Now, if daghan mo mga email account gigamit, so pwede mo magamit bisag unsa. So I will use this one. This is an example. Then after using that one, I will click continue. And then automatically, okay, the start will download. Anyway, the file is just 2 MB. Gamay ra kay na siya nga file. Okay? So it will not utilize so much of the space in your hard disk. Okay. After the download, so basically, ang imong download file will be downloaded in your download folder. Okay. So mo na to siya ang process sa first process na to no is to download the file, necessary file nga importante kayo. Okay? So I will try to locate asa na to makita. Okay? Okay. So I will ensure first and I will let you show og asa na to makita tong file. Okay? Okay, so I will go or I will share my download folder. So this is the downloaded file all in one application. So this is it. Okay. So I will go back now to my window. Now, what is the first step nga atong buhaton to be able to download this or to start our mobile application? Okay. So last time, what we use the website is we have used the appgser.com. So ang appgser.com, I would say, og ako'y muhatag sa opinion, that is the website nga pinaka-basic lang siya gamiton. Siya yung pinaka-basic in terms of non-coding development platform. Kaya wala na siya gagamit og blockings and behavior on the mobile app development. Pero karon kay mag-upscaling man tagamay, we are going to put something new on the mobile app development. Last time atong gibuhat is copy paste. Karon we're going to integrate website sa atong mobile app. Okay, kay this morning, muna itong ingon last time, the part 2, we are going to develop a dynamic module. Pero, ako emphasize niya, not only a dynamic module ang atong gamon karon nga mobile application, but we are going to build or to craft a mobile application nga, as you can see in the screen, I name it as all-in-one application in which you can integrate everything in one application. Your module, your quiz, even mga video tutorial, your website, or any website pwede na ito ma-integrate using your mobile application. So, mag-build tag mobile application nga one-stop shop for the student. Dili na siya magsigig pangitag mga application sa iyang mobile devices to use. So ato nang gamaan tanan in one single application. So muna say, mo siguro ning twist giingon ni Ma'am Ara ganina no nga mag-create og one stop mobile application all in one application. Now to start with, unsaon nato pag-start? Okay? So what I want you to do is you go to your browser and go to google.com. Okay? So I want you to go to google.com. Okay. But before that, kung magsugod, no? So maybe I will give you 1 minute. Maybe katong uban, wala pa naka-download atong this one. They were not able to download this file. So I will give you 1 minute. I will stay here. You go unload, magtabi sa ko. So unsa akong matabi diari about our mobile application nga gamon karon while you are going to download your EIA. So EIA file. But before day ko makalimot, okay, kay mag-download man mo, ako i-explain unsay pagsabot anang EIA. So again, ang EIA, that is an extension that is used in our mobile application. So that is a compressed version. Okay, gi-compress niya ang audio, video, or any file, gi-compress niya or gi-condense into one. Mura bito sa concept sa, if you are familiar with zip or you are familiar with RAR, so gi-create niya into one para magamit nato into different platform. Okay? Daghang mga platform gagamit og EIA. One example ani kani atong gamiton karon is kanang gitawag nato Codular. Before, ang Codular, this is also known as Make Droid or making Android nga platform. Karon gi-change nila og Codular. And there are different EIA platform. Natay kanang Tankable, natay MIT Inventor, which I believe, di lang po ko sure, no? Pero I believe, sa akong opinion, murag mo na kinaunhan nga EIA development platform in which nga, kaniya tong EIA nga gamon, we can use this one to tankable, we can use to this one to MIT Inventor. Okay, kay pwede man to ma-download ang iyang AIA or iyang template and migrate that one to your builder ug asay sayunan yun sa atua para magamit. Okay? Now, enough na siguro to, enough na siguro to 1 minute, no? So I will go to my Google browser. Okay? To my Google browser, I will type Codular, this one, Codular. Okay? Then I will hit enter. Hopefully, hinayra no, at makapalo yun mo. Now, during a part, okay, I search the Codular and it displays Codular Home, Creator, Codular Account, Pricing, Codular Community, Codular Docs, and About. Now, in this part, what I want you to click is this Creator. Okay? Click on the Creator part. Kaya kung magunta sa Home, it will give you the account. Okay? Pero atong gamon man is dito na ta dito direct sa Creator. So I will click Creator. Okay? And I will be redirected in this page. Okay? In this page, makakita ni Get Started or More Features. Okay? Now, you can also see in the upper right, kaning docs. Now, if you want to read and understand more about Codular, you click on docs. Okay? Kaya naadra tanan ang documentation to understand unsa gyud content ni Codular nga app builder. Okay? So, I do read that one also, tanang nasa docs, no? Nadra ang documentation. Kung naa kay mga pangutana, na diara matubag na niya. Okay? And also the community. Okay, there are different people in this community nga nag-builder og mga application in which you can also ask for help. Pwede sila makatabang when you are targeting to build a game or application using Codular. You can go to the community. Even some of them are giving kanang EIA or template para maka-create ka or ipagamit sa imuha. Yan as la ka generous ning community sa Codular para maka-create kang imuhang kaugalingon nga mobile application. Now, to start with, umaaron makaadto ta sa ato ang builder, atong buhaton is we are going to click Create Apps. Okay? Click Create Apps and you will be redirected on this page. Okay? Okay? So again now, sometimes it will take time depending on application. Labi na og layo mo sa kuan, kinain yung internet, so dugay sa ma-load. Kay parehane. Now, as you can see here, in my menu here, daghan kog nagama nga mga application. Okay? Now, let us start from the beginning. Unsaon na to pag-create og account. So I will sign out my account here. Okay, so I will sign out this one para magsugod yun ta, pareha yun ta magsugod from the start. Okay, so sa inyong part siguro, pag-create apps ninyo, after clicking this one, you will be redirected here. Kani siya nga part, sign in. So the same sa atong gibuhat sa app user last time, what did I told you is that we are going to utilize the data given sa Google or Gmail. So how to locate that one? Na-address sa bottom part sa left side, this one. This is the Gmail account. Okay? So I want you to click this part sa ubos na part ha, this one. Click that one. Okay? To utilize any Gmail account. Okay? So I have plenty of Gmail account here. So what I'm going to do is I will going to use this katapusan nga Gmail account nako. Okay? If ever wala pa mo na sign in nga Gmail account dira, all you have to do is use another account and sign in your Gmail account. So parihara sa process nagibuhat na to sa AppGizer. So in my case kay naa naman, I will just simply click this one. Okay? Basig mangutana mo ha nga wala na ko ga slides, okay? Wala na ko gagamit og slides, ga diretso na ko diari. It's because mahitabo man god og magamit ko kuan madugay na po dagsamot, so diretso na ko sa builder. Now, ingani siya no, muna siya akong ingon ganina nga ug katong home atong gi-click, the usual thing nga mahitabo dadong kaniya diari, projects, my profile, okay? So atong buhaton, let us try to let us close this one. Atong like close ni, okay? Close this tab and create apps ta balik. Let us try og dili ba gyud tanya i-redirect kay sa ko kay na naman ko account god mo tong i-redirect kunya sa old account nako. Now let us try to do this one is i-redirect ba kunya atong bag-ong account. Okay, pareha ni. Okay, hopefully nanigawas ni sa inyo ang nga part. You do not have any projects in Codular. To start your first project, click create project button at the top or learn how to use the Codular. Okay, so akong buhaton is mulits go lang ko. Okay, mulits go lang ko. And then, so as you can see here, I don't have any project at all. Okay, wa ko'y project at all. So the same with your part, labi na katong wala pa jud ka start o gamit. So the instruction is to start building your application. Ay imong buhaton is to create project diri sa left part. Okay? Hopefully, you're able to see this one sa left part. Kita ka ng create project. Pero, we're going to do that one. It will take time. Labi na sa atong oras karon na very limited, 2 hours na ta. Okay? So what I am going to do is I am going to use the EIA file which is I give ahead of time. Kato atong i-download ganina. So those are the template. That is a template nga atong gamiton ani kay pre-made man to siya. Ato na lang to siyang i-modify, ato na lang siyang i-edit to be utilized as your mobile application. Okay? So what I am going to do is click import. Okay? After clicking import, this will display. After that, I'll choose file. Now, in my case, automatic redirect ko niya sa akong download file or download folder. Sa inyong case, you need to locate asa ang location ninyo sa inyong download folder. Usually, no, ato ba nang i-change ang download location nato sa desktop para sa akong side aron dali na ko makita. So sa akong countries, nasa download folder man, and I have seen kani siya all-in-one app. So I will select that one and click open. Okay? As you can see here, all-in-one app.eia. Sometimes no, it may have an error labi na number one nga mo error siya is ang internet connection. Okay? Usahay sad na ay error sa pag-download nato sa compression niya sa EIA na to. So let us try kung wala ba siya error. So after na-click na to ang choose a file, nasud na siya di ara, so atong buhaton is click, we're going to click import. Okay? Okay. As you can see here, the selected project is not a project source file. Project source files are EIA files. So, kung yung ganyan na, sometimes it will create an error. Now, let us try to import katong isa. Gamit na to. Kaya ako mato siyang gi-rename god. This one. I will try to import this one if di pa siya mag-error. Okay? So, again, ang ngayon ako kanina, sometimes it will take time not to load depending on the internet connection ninyo. Okay, if hinay tag internet connection, so usahay dugay pud siya ma-upload sa ato ang builder. Now, if in case gali, it will not work out here. As you can see, naana siya. Okay, daghan tag mga option, no? Daghan tag option pwede magamit. For example, for example, katong tankable. Pero let us try to use this one. Okay? Now, as you can see here, naanak ko sa ako ang builder. Okay, mo try sa ko gawas ha. I will go out sa akong builder. So I will click diri sa right part. Okay? Sa upper left guys, sa upper left, I can see here project, test, export, and help. So I will click project and it will display different menus. I will click project. So mugawas ako, so I will be redirected here. So mo ni ang interface sa akong account. Okay? Sa account niya, this is not the builder yet, but the account. To start editing your builder or your mobile application na template nga akong gihatag, so simply click this one para dadong kaniya sa iyang builder. So this is the builder of the modular. Okay? So as you can see, usahay no kay mahadlok ta kay as you can see here murag complicated kay siya tan-awon, murag libog kay siya tan-awon. Pero to tell you, dali ra ni siya, labi na sa basic na part. Okay? So kabaw gyud ta ani sa iyang mga pasikot-sikot niya, you will be able to build your own mga mobile application nga games yun, mga educational games. Atong gamon karon is pretty simple. Dik ra jud kayo nga mobile application. Pero matong yung kanina is we're going to use a third party. I-integrate lang na nato. Okay? Okay, so ga-load pa siya. Let us try to refresh. I will refresh. If di ba siya mag-error. Okay, sa no, I will tell you again, the usual nga mahitabo nganong mag-error siya, it's because of the internet connection. Labi nagmogamit ang mga online builder. Internet connection importante kayo. Okay? So let us try to load it again. Labi na og mag-build na bitaw jud ka, mag-export na ka sa application. Okay? So nara siya. All you have to do no ang technique na bitaw ana is do not get confused, do not get afraid, but relax lang niya kuan. Try to refresh the page. Okay? Now, as you can see here, this is your menu. Okay, na kay Pentan, you're having this button, MTech, and English. Okay, this is what we call button. Now, actually kaning mga button dire sa left side, kani siya. As you can see here, sa left side na to, kani siya ang tawag na to dira, we call that as component. Okay, kani siya component. Now, I will not again I will not demonstrate and use every component dara kay it will take time. Okay? So kana lang common nga gigamit na to asa na to makuha na panalitan kanang kani siya MTech. That is an example of a button. Now, if you want to add a button, murang buhaton is you drag all that one here. Okay? To add a button. Okay? So automatically it will give you a button. But you might ask, sir, nganong lahi man siya dagway sa button nimo sa bag-ong gi-add nga button? It's because kaning button ako sa babaw, it's already customized. Ako na siyang gi-customize, gipagwapahan na nako siya. Okay? Again, ang component nato, ang function sa component nato, it gives view, design, and beautification ato ang mobile application. Mo ginay function ni component. Okay? Later on, I will discuss the other component sa mobile builder na to. Unsa sila. Okay? Now, kani siya si text for button 1 kay lahi man siya dagway. If you want to modify this one, asaon na to siya pag-modify. Asa dapit na to siya i-modify. Okay? So first, we are going to modify the name. So as you can see here, the name is text for button 1. To modify that one, imura na siyang i-click. Okay, click that one. And then, sa upper right here, as you can see here a rename button or rename ka ng pencil. So, i-click na nimo siya. So, as you can see, button 1. Let us say, a subject. Let us say, MIL. Okay? Okay. So, as you can see here, sir, wala lagi mautro. Okay? We are not yet done customizing it. Asa man nato yun na sa ma-change. We're only changing the component here, MIL. As you can see here, the MIL has changed. Okay. Nausab na siya. Okay. Now, how to change that one? Ay mong buhaton to change the text name is ari ka sa menu sa designer. Di ba? Yung kung ganina, si text, kanin si component, it will give you the beautification, the design of your mobile application. So there is a right side, you can see the menu. So as you can see here, okay, dara siya sa text. You can see, akong padakan ha, di na ako kagamit og zoom di ari, function or magnifier. kanira akong gamiton. So as you can see here, uh, we have here the word text for button 1. So for text for button 1, akong i-change. So sa to, MIL akong i-gamit, di ba? So when I change that one, automatic sad ma-change na siya. Okay? So na-change na nato ang ato ang menu or button na to. Okay? MIL. Sir, gamay lagi siya. Okay? To change that one again, you can see here the different, let us say, color. Okay? To change the color background. If you ang di man na iyang default dira, you can change to your favorite color. Okay, like that one. So select select that one, then set, as you can see, na change na siya. But sa food niya, white gihapon. So to change the text inside, ato na po nang scroll down sa ubos. Okay? So let us try to change the text into black. Okay? So automatic na change. Again, no, what I am showing here, nga if you every component nga atong i-add di ari sa left side, ang iyahang menu to change that one na adri sa right side. Okay mo na timan ano to no? Sa left side is a component, sa right side is the menu how to change. Okay? Now, ato siyang paninduton. So pwede tag ng automatic ba? Pwede mo dako na siya. Like that one, idako or ana siya. So it occupy the whole mobile nimo. Okay? Now, pwede na ba ingana, sir? Yes, pwede na siya maingana. Pero again, mawala ang beauty sa imuhang kuan, button. Pero there's also a technique kung gusto kag ingana siya, you can embed images. So unsay buhaton nato? Gusto nato wala ng text but image atong buhaton. So atong buhaton is naka-select naman na siya no, selected ang MIL nga button, ato ra siyang erase or i-delete nato ng word nga MIL. As you can see, nawala yung MIL dara, and I will going to replace that one into a button nga image. So as you can see here, okay, sa menu lagi nato dito sa right side, you can see image. So click that one, and then I have uploaded here a sa mga images daan. Kaya hindi na ako mag-upload, download. Okay, pero ako ipakita ganin niya unsaon pag-upload. Okay, panalitan, I will use an dipid buhol. Okay, select that one. So as you can see here, ang button na himong logo. So kanang button na kung nga dipid buhol, that is clickable. Okay? Button na siya. Okay? So dili ta gusto ana, let us try to change by this one. Okay. So mo na siya ang button na to. Okay, gusto tag dagko gyud ang iyang button. Now, if you want to manually change that one, okay, ang iyang default size, okay, diri na to again makita sa right side. Okay? Now, gusto na ko ibalik siya sa gamay. So ako na siyang kuwaon ang image. Okay? Nan ang image. Okay? I will put back the MIL, the word or acronym MIL, nya ako siya imong nga gamay nga button. Okay? So as you can see here, nagamay ni siya. Okay? Again, no, ako emphasize all the properties to change the color, the text, the design of your button can be find in the right part. The component can be find in the left part. Okay? So mo dili ta maglibog, ayaw mo kalibog ug unsay nakita niyo diara ha. Okay? Kay usay kay makita lagi tag daghan kaayo, mahadlok na ta. Okay? Now, you try to explore. Anyway, you have your template. Okay, bahalag maguba pa nag-explore na nimo diha, you have an extra template. So okay ra na siya. Okay? Now, akong buhaton karon is I just want to use kaning puti siya nga button. So ako na siyang i-remove. Okay? I will remove that one, and then I will delete. Okay? So I will delete the button. Okay? So mana siya na i-delete ng button. Another, sir, I want to add a logo in my application. Okay? So pwede ta maka-add og logo. So akong buhaton is I will drag and drop an image diari sa babaw nga part. As you can see here, I am dragging that part. So now, to successfully change, gusto na ko na siya change, ako sa i-select na siya kanang component, which is this one nasa right side. Okay? Selected na siya, and I will insert an image. So katong pre-uploaded na ko dari nga logo sa DepEd, I will utilize that one. Okay? So as you can see here, uploaded na siya. As you can see, dito mahadlok gihapon og dako kayo. So ay mo rang buhaton ana is to adjust. Okay? Asa dapit ang adjustment? Ari sa iyang menu. Okay, sa component. Okay? So ito na siyang pagamyan. So as you can see, okay, pwede ka maka-adjust diara sa right side. Tama na siya. Now, usahay no, dili ta ng view diari sa kuan is correct. So imong buhaton is you try to usually atong buhaton is i-test na to siya. Okay? So mo na usay pud mo na sa ginabuhat nga kung unsay display diari, not all totally mo gimugawa sa mobile device. Muna ako yung i-test sa siya before yun ako ipanghatag ang mobile device nga pang application nga akong ipanggama. So as you can see here, so na ko logo. Okay? So again no, mo rin siya diari. Gusto na ko i-change ang yung design or padakan, pagamyan, mo na siya diara. So ayan kon is nadri sa kilid. Now, sir, is there a possibility nga mugamay na siya? Usahay man god, it depend on the picture nga imong gi-upload. Ug dako gyud siya size, dako siya resolution, dira ra gyud na siya. Say dili na ta ka-adjust diari. Okay? So atong ma-adjust is to fit the image at the center. Okay? Now, if ever na may tabo ani nga cases dako imong image pero yung display ana dito sa imong actual device is gamay na siya no. Okay? Now, mag-add kag multiple nga mga button. Okay? So there is a possibility ba nga matabunan siya dira sa ubos o dako ka possibility. So imong buhaton is imo ra siyang i-select ang screen 1 nimo, which is ang screen 1 contains kana siya tanan. Okay? And you make it, unsa man siya, scrollable diri sa right side. Meaning, ang imong whole screen, pwede nimo ma-scroll. Okay? Imo ra siya i-click para ma-scrollable siya. Atong case, di na ito nabuhaton ha. Okay, kay gamay ram na siya. Now, akong i-remove na pod ang logo nako. Now, after removing, I will give you time, mga 2 minutes siguro to explore na pod diara, then we'll go back dayon. Okay, 2 minutes siguro. While you are practicing right now, kuan sa kog mga kasi mga importanteng function, ay lang ko paminawa. Ay lang ko paminawa sa mga importanteng function basta pag-focus mo sa inyong mga gipangbuhat. Okay? Now, ubalik ko no, sa ako ipang isgutan diare. Again, this is an example of non-coding development platform, and there are plenty of development platform nga pwede magamit na to, and these are one of example of this nga sayon na kayo, in which ang function niya is drag and drop ra gyud. Okay? I-drag na to gikan sa component sa left side, then i-drop na to sa iyahang mobile or kana sa iyahang dami niya nga mobile device, and to develop your mga functions. Again, napata sa first part ha, napata sa sayon nga part sa tuang sayon nga part nabi na lisod-lisod ani. Napata sayon nga part sa tuang mobile development karong buntaga. Okay? Ang lisod nga part ani mo nang ipapractice at amo karayo kay mo to siya medyo madugo pero dili kayo madugo. Kaya ra gihapon nato, di ba? Okay. Kaya ra kay nato na siya. So unsa pa laing importante pang storya nako na ni while nag-practice mo ha. Okay. Again, ano siya? Is composed of screen. Okay? Mura po siya sa cellphone bitaw ang screen na to. Okay? Sa screen na to, we can add screen and we can remove screen. Atong gibuhat diri sa atong mobile application is composed only of 2 screen. Duha ra ni siya ka screen. Screen sa atong menu and ang screen sa ato ang viewer. Unsa man ang viewer? Ang viewer na to dito na to i-contain, dito na to isud ang tanan nga mga ipang-embed na to nga mga file, not file but a third party nga application i-embed na to dira sa ato ang mobile devices. Okay? So nilapas na siguro ko ano? Nilapas na sigurong 2 minutes or what pa ba? Okay, so I will proceed. So nagisgot naman kong screen. Ako ipakita asa dapit makita ang screen. Okay? Ubos diri sa project, you can see here screen. So duha ra ni sa ka screen, screen 1 and show screen. If I will going to click show screen, it will play. Kani siya. Wala lagi siya sud, sir. Okay. Wala siya sud. Okay, it's because ang sud ano niya, as you can see here, ang makita na to is web viewer. Meaning, ang content ra niya is igo ra niya i-view ang mga third-party application online. Okay? Again, guys, kung nabatag online, akong i-emphasize og balik ha, nga, kanis siya nga output, this is basically applicable only when we are using internet connection. Okay, kay dynamic man ta. Last time atong hisgutan nga atong dynamic nga ang dynamic ka part na to is if ang module nga gigama na to is automatic siya ma-update sa end sa ato ang mga bata. Okay? One time installation pero magsigig update sa part sa mga bata. This is the good thing about dynamic application. But to do that one, kinahanglan ta internet. Mo na number one yun na to, internet connection. Para magamit sa mga bata jud. Pero again, this is not only a force of kanang igipagamit ato sa mga bata because we can also personally use this one. Balik ta sa atong first screen. Sa atong first screen, we can see that one, sa Imtech English. Now, akong buhaton is that ako rang i-add na lang og button, dili na ko mag drag and drop a button component sa left part diari sa ato ang mobile. Okay? So akong buhaton is I will just select that one and then sa inyong keyboard, sa inyong keyboard ang function nga copy and paste, di ba? Sa datong control C for copy and control V for paste na nato. So palitan ka ng English, okay? I will copy that one sa akong keyboard, control C and control V. So na-addan ko og English nga button. So the same style, the same button, di ba? Di na ko mag-design kaya naman na siya. Ako lang buhaton is I will change the name of the button. So I will change the name. So katuingon ako kanina, I will make it as a subject nga MIL. Okay. So rename. So as you can see, wa pa siya ma-rename, kaya to i-change the rest sa right part. Okay? So make it sure nga mo gyud na siya naka-select. Kay basic ang English nga button yung makuan, ma-change mo. So i-select sa gyud nimo ang component, select the component and then change the text. So I will change to MIL. Okay. So as you can see here, naada nagtulo button or nahimo ng tulo ka button ako. Okay. Last time, ako sa buhaton nun is mag-add og mga button na usa na ko integrate ang tanan. So last time, ga-discuss si Sir Ronald Bunyaw atong Monday about online assessment. So karon ato usang i-integrate ang online assessment nga iyang gigama diari sa ato ang application. Okay? So atong buhatan na pud og button for the assessment kay iyang gigama. Okay? So copy paste na ako kaning intake lang. Let us say for English, kay English man tong subject. So English, I will copy paste that one, copy and paste. So English copy, simuna ko ni siyang English quiz. Or sige, kana lang for the sake of naming na lang na. Okay? And then change that one, English quiz. Now, ako po siyang i-emphasize kay dynamic ra man siya nga gahil ko tawag one time installation. Sa next part na to diari importante kayo nga makuha gyud ninyo ang idea sa nung gahil ko tag dynamic. It's because katong Google Form nga gam-an nato niya, kas-ara yun ta mag-integrate ato sa ato ang button. Kay kas-ara man ta muhatag sa atong application. Atong buhaton is constantly changing and renaming ra dito sa ato ang end dito sa atong Google Form panalitan magkuan kag quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 or every quiz ug mga summative quiz nimo every week, you can change that one. Okay? With one application ra. So ako ipakita later. So gusto na ko kay quiz man siya sa English quiz, lainon ako ang color. Okay, I will change the color. Again, asa to makita. So this is the background color. So I will make it green na lang siguro. Okay, para sa quiz, para ma-emphasize na quiz na siya. Okay? So, we're done with that one. Okay? So next na buhaton na to is we are going to integrate a module. For example, unsa nga module? So example nga module akong gamito no. Okay? Okay, so I will search for a module. Okay. Let us say for example, ang third party nga module gamito na to is gikan sa Google Drive. Okay? Okay. Why nga nung Google Drive man atong gamiton, why is it mo gamit ana kay we're talking about dynamic man, di ba? We can change online and automatic ma-change po dito sa end sa atong mga bata. Okay? So I will make a sample. Sample akong gamon ha. I will go to my drive, okay? Okay. Now, there's one thing also that I would like to emphasize also when using a third-party application. Okay, I would suggest no that you use a personal email account when you share to your student kani nga mga file bitaw. Kay you can you know man gyud sa ato ang part sa DepEd very strict ug mogamit og mga organizational email account. Nga sa ang mga bata na to wala man na email account, di ba? Wala sila DepEd email account, so dili sila ka-open sa imong ipang-share. Okay, so muna akong ipagamit ninyo is kanang mga personal email account. Okay, that's what I'm using now is not katong DepEd email na but another email account nako. Okay, so for example, pwede ta ka integrate og Google Slide, Google Docs, PDF, and also Google Sheets. Everything nga pwede na to magamit online could be integrated sa tuang mobile application. Okay. So first nga kung buhaton is Docs lang pa. So asa ta mo kuha ng Docs na file ari click na ko ng Google Docs. Okay? So after that, I will be redirected here sa ako ang Google Docs. Okay. So kung Google Docs sa file, as you can see, wala sa isod. Okay? Now, ang gusto nako is kanang atong na-save bitaw nga mga file sa ato ang hard disk. You can upload that one to your Google Drive. Again, personal Google Drive gamita. So what I will do is I will go to file and then I will locate, let us say open. Okay? I will open a file. So wala man ko'y file diare, so I will upload a file. Okay? Akong i-upload to ako mga file nga naa sa let us say katong gigamit nato last time about science. Let us say kani siya science. So I will upload that one. Okay? So after uploading, as you can see here, na-upload na ang science na file. Okay? So kani siya atong i-integrate dito sa ato ang mobile application. So diri mo gawas ang ihang pagka-dynamic. Okay? So ayun na akong usbon no, every time there is a data that will be added or deleted here, automatic sa mobile applications sa atong mga bata, automatic sa ito mag-change. Ha? Unang nitawag ito siya dynamic. Okay? Dynamic siya, interactive siya because it is changing every time you will do something or change something in your data. Let us say, you are going to delete this whole topic animals. Okay? If na-install gali na sa imong sa mobile application sa mga bata, naga-delete ka tong animals, automatic, they will not be able to view that anymore. Kaya imo naman gi-delete sa imong part katong topic nga animals. Okay? Now, how to do that one? How to make it dynamically integrated to your mobile application. So, atong buhaton is atura na siyang i-share. Okay? Sa upper right part, you can see share here. Okay? So, click that one. Okay? So, click that one. Then, change the legacy. So, change to anyone with the link. But make it sure the legacy nga mo ibutang diary is only for viewer. Okay, viewer atong gamiton. So copy that link. Okay, copy that link. Then and then you go back to your builder. Okay? Go back ta sa imong builder. Asa na to i-integrate kaning sa imtake? Kaning imtake, let us say himo na to ning science. Okay, science man to. Let us rename that one as into science. Okay? Okay? So, na-change na sa button. Ari na po sa iyang name. Let us change that one into science. Okay? Nahimo na po siyang science. Okay, now, ang next part, muna ingon ako nga part nga mayon ko lisod gamay. This is the other part na to katong ingon ako ganina no. Kani siya nakita na to karon, that is your beautification, arrangement of your button, arrangement of your mobile application. The next part is the function, the logic, and behavior of mobile application. So mobile application, logic. So it talks about logic, function, and behavior. Kung unsay gusto na to buhaton sa science, kaning button nga science, mo iyang gusto buhaton. Okay? Mura ra gyapon siya ga programming ta, pero gahisgot man ta ganina og non-coding programming. Programming siya in the sense nga ang iyang behavior i-program na to. So how to do that one? Muadto ta sa blocks. Okay. As you can see here, the other side of designer, akong padakan sa karayo. Okay, para makita dyan na to. The other side here, sa upper right, you can see assets, designer, and blocks. Now, ako explain sa tagsagsa sa niha, kinsa man naa sa asset. Ang si asset, it contains your images, your files, audio files, PDF files, na nimo diri makita, imong mga database na dras ni asset. Okay? Si designer, kana atong nakita karon, si component, muna si designer. Okay? Ang blocks na to, again, kaning sunod niya, blocks contains the logic. Okay, so i-click nimo ng blocks, balik na sa designer. Okay, so as you can see, so, muna basic sa logic na to ha. Okay, so asa ni siya gikan? Now, wala na ko'y gusto ipa-outro ninyo di ari ha. Gamay wala na. Naay ipa-outro pero gamay dili kay wala di ipa-outro. Okay? Now, ako lang explain asa ni siya gikan. Okay? Kana ato ang mga boto or kani ato ang blocks. Nara siya sa left side kani siya. Again, kung tagsa-tagsa ako na explain, it will take time. Ha? Kung explain ako tagsa-tagsa. So, kung gusto mong ma-explore, again, you read the docs. Kato akong ingon ganina, kauban sa atong tapat sa imong account, bitaw. So, read the docs. Na-asset anandra ipang-explain tong mga function niya. Pareha na ni control. Okay? Mo click na si control, mo display na siya. That are your different blocks. So how to use that one? Imo na siyang i-drag di ara. Imo na siyang isumpay-sumpay. Mura ta gaduwa bitaw og puzzle. Okay? Unang gahisgot ta diri logic, behavior, and functions. Okay? So nana mo ko'y pre-define nga kuan dira nga mga logic. So mura na itong gamiton, ha? And then lang ta mangubi ana. Basta na kanina siya gusto ta mo explore, muna sa si logic, si mathematics, si text, si less, dictionaries, and everything, every function, every logic, dira na to makita sa left side, sa blocks. Okay? Ako ibalik niya diare. Now, as you can see here, kung i-click na to ng drop down, so makakita tag English, English quiz, MIL, and science. So as you can see, naka-check si science, meaning muna siya selected. Yang nabutang diri sa start value niya is MTech man. So it will change to science. Imo na to na siyang science. Gamay lang ang word nga science. Okay? Now, unsay logic na, unsay function niya. Isa, ang function niya or logic niya, when do, kung si science nga button ko no, i-click na ko, it opens or it trigger the screen name show. Okay, asam ning show. Ang screen niya nga show, which is, kung tanaw na ko, there is sa left side nga screen. So, i-trigger niya si show. Mugawas na si show. After showing show, iyahang tawgon si science nga value. Now, sir, you might ask, asa man na dapit na to makita si science nga value? Okay, wa man tay makita lagi dari. Wadto ta dito sa atong ihisgutan nga show screen. As you can see here, this is composed of another logic na wala na ko ipa-outro ninyo but only the link. Link na ko ipa-outro ha. So click that one. Okay. Dayon, it will give you this one. Now again ha, do not be confused. Ay mo kahadlok, ay mo kalibog nga murag tanaw na to, murag lisod yun na siya. Pero again, ang ako rang usbon ninyo ana is the name of the value nga atong tawgon. Panalitan ka na si Imtek. Si Imtek, gihimo na to na siyang science nga word, di ba? So I will change that one into science. So kana ra ipa-outro nako. And then katong link nga gikopy nako gikan diari sa screen nako nga or sa akong Google Drive. Akong usbon ha, share, and then change, copy that link. I will go to Contextualized and then sa text blocks na ko, i-paste na ko dra, Control V. And then, so, nabutang ko dra siya. So, kanin siya nga block, this one, science, mo ni siya itawgon diara sa akong mobile application. Again, hopefully nakakuha mo ha, akong usbon ha, ko emphasize, balik ko sa design. Okay, balik ko sa design. I will go to design. Akong i-explain. Akong i-explain ha. Yan siya. Every time I will click science nga button, i-trigger niya ang show screen ako in which ang mo display sa akong screen is kinsa may mo display. Tanis siya na file na ko gikan sa third party. So mura siya logic, di ba? Gamay ra kayang logic, gamay ra ka logic atong gibutang. Okay? Again, go to the blocks. So every time I will click science, I will get the value of science which is kani nga URL. Okay? Kani siyang third party mo'y tawgon. Okay? And then the same process will happen. Kung sa atong gibuhat sa design, pananglitan. I will go to screen 1. Okay? After this, tagaanta mo chance magkuan ha, ma-explore mga 5 minutes. Okay? So si English, pananglitan, I will upload another file, English. Okay? So mag-new file ko. Okay? Ako sa new file, again, mag-blank file ko, kaya i-upload man ako si kuan. English to dito, no? So what I will do is, again, balik ko na ko ha, blank na siya. I will upload a file. Okay? I will open a file. Then, upload. Select a file from my device sa inyong hard disk ug asa naka-save. So in my case, wa man ko English dari, anan na ko is math raman, so math akong gamiton. So himo na ko tong math siya ha. Okay? So wait for a minute. Uploading. Okay. So nana ko'y math na file. Okay. So muna siya akong math. So same process akong buhat. Okay. Ako sang i-arrange daan ang ako ang kani siya. English, himuon ako siyang math. Okay. Math. Change to math. Rename. Change that one here also. Himuon akong math. Okay, so nahimo na siyang math. So kaning quiz na to, himuon po na tong math na tong quiz kay math man na tong gusto. Okay? Math, this is also a math quiz. Okay, so as you can see, pag click na to dara, automatic na tong quiz sa math. Now, na-arrange na to siya. Atong tanawon sa blocks na to. Okay? So, ug natawag ba yun? So as you can see here, akong padakan sa blocks na to, math, naka-checks na sa math, okay, check. But the are sa start value na to, it's still MIL. So i-change na to na siya. MIL man siya, himo na tong math. Now for sure, dito sa ang ato ang screen for show, sa blocks niya, makakita ba tag math diara. So as you can see here, akong panakan again, ang iyang value, wala ta kitag math, instead MIL man na siya. we will change that one into math value. Kay mo na itawgo na to. Okay? Nya, muadto ta sa ato ang ano siya, math nga module. Okay? Change that legacy, click that one, copy, then we are going to go back to our arito sa text. Again, no? Itong ibuhat to, copy and paste. Take that one. Okay. So, kung mabalik ta sa atong designer, balik ta na screen 1, si science and math, nana na siya isod. O ato na siyang i-test sa ato ang mobile apps, ato na siyang i-import as an application. Ang mahitabuan na is clickable na sa science. Ang mo display is katong module na to for science. Ang sa math mo display na to is ang katong math na to ang module. Si math quiz, ang email na to dari nga button, wala pa na siya sod. Okay? Bisang pag makita na nato sa display, unsaon na to nag-click, dili na siya mo function. It's because we did not put any logic, behavior, and function sa ato ang nga button. So asa na po ta sunod? Okay. Magbutang na po ta quiz. So if you could remember, last time, gagamit ta og quiz ta ni Sir Kuano, ni Sir Bunyaw. Let me try to kuan og na transfer ba to nako dari because I asked for a collaboration sa iyang gigama nga quiz last time katong sa Google Form, if you could remember. Okay? Sa Google Form niya. Okay. So he made katong quiz kani siya, English 3 quiz mobile. So ako na siya gamiton. Ako na siya i-integrate dito. So I will open this one. Okay. So as you can see here, ang tag-iya, I think ang tag-iya ni si Sir Kuan pa, si Sir Bunyaw. So I will make it this as my own copy dito sa personal. Kaya dili man ako gusto gamiton na siya diri sa again. I will not use a file gikan sa Google Form nako. Okay, there will be some restriction kung gamit ko ng mga DepEd email na to. So I will use kani nga DepEd email, Bolofer Kalinmar. So I will make a copy. So I will try to click this one here. Kung ma-redirect mo ko diara. Okay. Now, basin matinga mo no nga maglibog mo kay sobra kadaghan sa process atong gibuhat. Okay? To tell you, dili kay sa daghan no, dili kay sa daghan, it's because some of the process here kay familiar naman tagod. We are already familiar. Ako lang siyang gibalik. Okay, as you can see here, nanakoy mo na open na nako ang copy ni Sir Bunyaw, ari nga part kay ano siya. Okay, ako sanay close na yung kuan kay basin ma-accidentally close na ko ang Zoom. Maputol niya tagalit. So, close this tab. Okay. So, muna akong tab. So, I will make a copy on this one. I will duplicate this one. Okay. Muna siya yung technique po na no? What I want you to do bitaw, labi na og mugamit ta og dynamic. Okay. If you are done with creating your quiz, a Google form, make a duplicate or make a copy kay para magamit nimo for the next year. Kay kana atong gamon karon nga quiz or Google form, ato man na siyang i-modify. Kanunay na to siyang i-modify, so dili jud ka retain og copy. So every time mag-update ka, you make a copy para you can use that one next year. Okay? Or kanus ka magamit. So, para ani nga case, I will make a copy on this one. Okay? So, and I will change na lang. Mo na ko ang mobile app fee. Para na ako i-copy. Para to make it safe sad. Okay? So, let me check here o maka-retain ba kong copy di ari katong gihimo na nakong mobile app, no? Mobile app nga Google Form. So, ako na i-close. O dili siya, kanira tong gamiton. Okay, so internet, where are you? So as you can see here, nanakoy copy sa katong gigama ni Sir nga quiz. English 3, quiz, but gi-rename na ko siya mobile app. Okay? So himo na ko siyang, let us say, i-change ko na ko siya, himo na ko siyang quarter 1. Okay? Quarter 1 I will restore this one for this is for quarter one exam. Anang nasa babaw sad kay katong ingon bitaw ni sir pod last time nga automatic ug imo na i-change diri sa babaw, automatic mo change na siya. In this case dili siya mo automatic, it's because this is a duplicate. Dili ni siya gikan from bag-o nga form. So atong buhaton is copy paste na to. Okay? So nanatay we already have atong first quiz pananitan quarter one exam. Okay? Diya, okay? So nanay quarter one exam atong buhaton is you are going to integrate that to your mobile application. So we are going to get the link. So sa yung pagkuha sa link, send sa upper right, send, and then click na to na siya, karing button nga link, and then copy, and then mubalik ta sa project. Okay, asa na to sa i-integrate? Di ari sa math quiz. Okay, now, before na ko sa i-integrate, I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes ha? 5 minutes to do your integration also sa inyong first two button. Katong pag-upload sa inyong module sa inyong Google Drive. Again, personal Google Drive. You use personal Google Drive. And then, after 5 minutes, mubalik ko, ako na integrate ang atong quiz. Okay? So, okay na siguro, 5 minutes. Ma'am Ara. Hello, Ma'am Ara.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, you can do siguro mga
Shout
shout-out diha, ma'am,
outs.
while they are, kuan, ma'am. I will giving them 5 minutes.
Okay. So let's have some shout outs.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
From Marivic Manika, Manika, watching right now here at Ponta, Misha C. Breeze, Kambuhat, Buena Vista, Bohol. From Ma'am Estela Galamiton Butro, good morning. Still watching Concepcion ES, Sierra Bullones. God bless everyone. From Feby Autida, shout ko sa tanang teachers nga nagloading ang auto karong oras. Watch lang, human review rapod unja. Bitaw, no? So, kahinumdum pag sa kong math, ani nga, first attack, di good makuha. So, I have to review. Repeat and repeat. Murag, ingani good ni. So, that's a good attitude. Mag-watch lang kitag balik siguro, no? Kay murag daghan na kayong comments dire nga madugo jud daw ang topic. But anyways, I guess kitang tanang teachers always have the ability and the capacity nga mangita og paagi. So, I believe in that nga mangita gyud tag paagi nga makamao and maka-learn og mga bag-ong mga katunon. Like this one, this is really a very interesting topic. In my case, Sir Cal, murag, grabe jud ka, unsa ka mo? Sir Cal, uh, still watching. Sir, pero naglisod ko from Helen A. Maka. Okay, from Aliana, I'm sorry, Aliana, Alisa, sir, good morning. Hinahinay in town, sir. Dili tanan expert. Okay. Bitaw si sir kanang kuan ginan sir. Gihinay-hinayan ko tub siyang mahimo, but again, we only have 2 hours. So we have to kanang make use of that time and kuan lang siguro mo tong mag-review lang gyud ta. And then still watching from Kabilao Island, from Ma'am Michelle Maratas. Uh, Another one, shout out to all teachers from Tunaan, Dako, ES, Talibon, 1 District who are still watching. Thank you. From Ma'am Elsa Arise, morning everyone watching from Alicia District. Uh, Good morning from CIS Integrated School from Juan Sumagang. And I would like also to say hi to my sister who is watching now in Denmark. Ma'am Aramisel Autida and with her husband Anas and her son Alteos. Hi, baby. And Also to my co-teachers of Eugenio V. Amores Memorial High School. Hi to all you, to all of you there, and to all the Sagbayan district teachers and all the districts in Bohol. Circle.
Yes, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am?
Okay na ko, sir. Ikaw, okay na ka?
Okay na ko. Bawa ka nila. Sige, balik na, ma'am. Balik na, ma'am. Sige, ma'am.
Sige,
Salamat,
sige.
ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, manang break, no? Okay. So, nag-end atong kuan, duha ka button, pagama mo duha ka button, and then additional button for your quiz. Okay, karon i-integrate na to tong quiz nga gigama ni Sir Bunyaw last Monday. Okay? So how to integrate? The same process atong buhaton na, the same process lang. Okay? So, adto ra ta sa screen 1 and screen 2 again. Okay? So, atong ta sa blocks ani niyang screen 1. Okay? This is the blocks for screen 1. So, as you can see here, dili ka kakita or wala kay makita nga blocks for or logic for ni kuan ni math quiz. So atong buhaton is mag-add ta og logic. So ato na siya i-duplicate, okay? Duplicate this one. Okay? So as you can see nag-X siya meaning error na siya. So ato na siya i-locate na tong button. So drop down and click math quiz. So okay na dayon siya. Wala na ang duplication. So as you can see okay na. But it does not end there. As you can see, there is sa ubos, nahimo siyang math gihapon. So, mo tong sumpayan na to og math quiz. One word na nato ni ha. Math quiz nga lowercase. Okay, nanatay button for, nanatay logic for math quiz nga button. But the problem here is di gihapon nato siya matawag og wala nato siya magami og logic dito sa siyang second screen or sa iyang show screen. So, i-click na to ang show screen. Kaning English, we replace by the quiz or math quiz nga. Okay, math quiz. This one. So, math quiz. Okay. And then, kanin siya will be replaced by the link nga itong gigama sa Google Form. Okay. Copy that one. And then, paste it here. Okay. So as you can see, kung mabalik ta sa display na to, we'll go back here sa screen 1. Screen 1. Okay, muna to sa screen 1. Si Science, si Math, si Quiz, na say sulod. Okay? These are for modules and these are for the quiz na to. Now, katong dynamic quiz nga kung gihisgot last time nga one time ra gyud ta magpa-install man sa mga bata og application. So ang sige na tog i-update is our form. Ang form ra gyud na to ato ang usbon. So pwede ba data magsigig update sa form in one application? Yes, it's possible. So atong buhaton, palitan na niya. So palitan sa quarter 1, okay? Sa quarter 1, we will get the responses, quarter 1 exam. Okay? Example na to ha. So we'll get responses. We will get the responses. Hindi na ko explain niya kay explain na ni Sir Kuandaan gani last time, si Sir Bunyaw. So quarter 1 exam responses. So naka-create na ko responses. Okay? So okay, close that one. So muna akong responses in Google Sheets. Okay. Now, if ever nahuman ako kuha sa ako ang mga results tanan, nahuman akong exam sa akong quarter 1. Okay? So, dili na nako kinahanglan ni siya. Pero you have to remember no, automatic ni siya again ma-save sa atong Google Drive. Okay? So, akong buhaton is nahuman na ako responses. Okay? So, automatic because ingon ni sir nga dili na ta mo accept para di naka-answer mga bata. Okay? So, ako siyang i-unlink. Okay? Unlink the form. Okay? Okay, i-unlink na ko ang form kay i-modify naman po nato ni siya. Okay? Again, emphasize na ko ha, one-time installation. Magsige ra tag-edit di ari sa ato ang Google, isa ka Google form kay kas ara nagbutang og, sama to. Emphasize ako balik, kas ara gabutang og kani siyang link diara. Kay dili man ka kasara man kakahataw og application, so one time ra pod nga link ang atong ibutang. So atong buhaton is diri ta magsigig change ani nga window sa ato ang exam sa atong form para magsige pod to siya ka update. Then weekly mag-change ka, mag-update ka. So mo na imong utrohon di are. Kasi mag-update na po ka quarter 2. Okay? Quarter 2 exam. So copy that one. Okay? Quarter 2. Yeah, basically it will be change everything here. So usbo nimo tanan dara. So ako i-remove niya. So it is safe to delete everything here. It's because again, nanakoy duplicate. Pero make sure nga naka-duplicate jud mo ha. Okay? So dili na ako usbon tanan diara. So akong usbon is kaning design. So change the design. Okay, we change the design. Let's say that one. The color is that one. Okay. Now, again, every time you're going to change here, kautro ka di ari, automatic sa end pod sa mga bata na utro pod ang ilahang exam dito sa ilang mobile application kay kautro man ka di ari. Pero make it sure you also change the responses or nag-create ka nga bagong responses depending on okay, ay mong responses will be depending on asa man magdepende ang mong responses. Ako sa na-close. Okay, careful. Yan na, kung na, automatic man sad ma-save ang imuhang mga responses diari sa imong Google Drive. So it is safe nga nag-unlink ka diri, di ba? So you unlink this one. Okay? Nag-unlink ka. So mag-create kag bagong responses based on this bago nga quarter 2 exam nga file. Okay? If ever gali, and in case mahitabo nga ana, okay, now automatic create a new spreadsheet quarter 2 exam, meaning you are creating again another responses. Okay? Based on sa ikaduha nga quarter exam nimo gi gama nga Google Form or thesis or exam. Pero wala na kagaotro og bag-o nga zaman mobile application. Kaya diri pa man kagaotro sa imuhang you only change once dito sa imong Google Form or every time mag-change ka. Kaya kung usbon na po, panalitan. You're going to change this one as weekly quiz na po na siya. Weekly quiz na to. Okay, copy that one. Okay? So, mag-change sa po ka. Imo na po na yung utrohon ng mga exam. Change all the exam. Pintan ka na rin nabilin. So, for the responses na po nimo, i-unlink na po nimo itong imong previous nga responses and create again a new responses. Okay, wait. Create again a new responses based on the new created nga or updated form para sa imong quiz. Okay, so create that one. So again, you have developed again another responses. And again, I will tell you, automatic tanang responses nimo ma-save man sa imong Google Drive. So it is safe to do magsige kag unlink. Okay? I think clear na siya ha para sa na part na to. Kaya kung utrohon og explain here that pwede kang mag-design og quizzes for, let us say, kung mag-design ka mobile application sa imong mga bata sa imong subject, kung tulo ka subject imong gida, science, math, and MIL, pwede rin kag isa ka button imong gamon kay magsige ra kag change, or pwede sa kag mag-customize isa sa science, isa sa math, isa sa MIL, pero one button will be enough. Okay? Pero kung magsunod kag exam, so kinahanglan jud ka mag-prepare daan kay lisod madugay naman pug ka. So pwede ka mag-prepare daan og sunod ang sunod ang exam sa mga bata, ang time nila. So it will take time man sa tong magsikag change. So pwede gamaan nimo daag button for math quiz, button for science quiz, button for MIL quiz. Pero og dili isunod, so one button will be enough. Okay? So again na kung emphasize, isa ka mobile application kas arat ta mag-install na automatic ma-update na tanan from module to quizzes. Another feature sa atong application kay gahisgot ta ganina nga hapit na pod ang oras, gahisgot ta ganina og all-in-one siya. Again, your website pananglitan na kay kagulingong website, okay? Or na kay kagulingong web page gigama. You can integrate also this one using katura gihapon the same process, okay? So for instance, let us for example, ako na i-closing uban ha, kay mahina ito internet. Wait lang. Okay. Close this one. Okay. For this one, let us say YouTube. Okay, you can integrate YouTube here. Okay, YouTube. Manalitan. The bad thing lang gud sa YouTube kay makaisdaghan sila ma-explore pero even lang mga cellphone ana mga YouTube para one stop shop pa gyud, you can integrate YouTube. Okay? Manalitan. Na siya si MIL. Na siya will show the let's say YouTube. Ay mo na tong educational videos. YouTube Eduk na lang para gamay ra. Or I call this one YouTube University. Okay? Copy that one, rename, and then I will also rename, select that one. So asa to, siya. As you can see, na-change na siya. So ito na po sa blocks. Diba? So akong buhaton is I will add again and duplicate this one. Okay? Duplicate, drop down, I will select YouTube University. Okay? So muna ko na siyang gamay lang, YouTube. YouTube ba? So I will copy that one para mo show. Then I will go and add to my show screen. Okay? So let us say math quiz naman na. So kani change na po na ako na YouTube. Then I will get the link for YouTube. Let us say educational mobile games. Let us say kana siya Adventure Academy nga kuan. So pwede rag ang link imong ibutang
Your
sa or
idea
the
is
whole
part
YouTube
of what
pero ang
defines you.
nindot mo sa
That
YouTube,
desire to name it
you
and
can
make it
search
real.
everything, di ba? Pwede ang link dito
Giving you
or
the tools is what defines GoDaddy, so you can create and manage your website and social media in one place.
Okay, so
Make
copy
your
that one.
idea real
So
with
ang
new
link
GoDaddy
kani,
websites
kuan
plus
ang
marketing.
page kanini Adventure Academy ang paste nimo di ara. So asa to sa YouTube, that one. Okay? So again,
Monster Math presents
I will go back
Counting
to my
to
screen.
10. Okay,
And
class,
I will go back to my
let's count
designer.
these munchkins
Okay?
together.
So muna
One,
siya. YouTube University is
2,
clickable now.
3,
I will add another
4,
button again.
5,
So select this one.
6,
Select,
7,
copy and
8,
paste. Let
9,
us say I will add
10.
educational games.
Great job!
Integrate mo
Now,
educational
you
games.
try this one. How many munchkins are there? Enter your answer on Monster Math, where you can make your very own monster avatar and earn pets for the math problems you get right.
Then,
And parents,
change the
a
one.
real teacher explains any problem your child misses, so kids can learn all by themselves.
Again,
If
process
you
same,
enjoyed
balik
watching
ka sa
this
block.
quick lesson, try more math
Duplicate
problems
this one,
by clicking
right click,
Play Now,
copy,
Now.
ayan,
Or we
drop
could do
down,
some more problems
look for,
together here. Count these guys. Click Play Now to check your answer.
Yes, YouTube ni no.
1,
Ano mo na to?
2,
YouTube
3,
University.
4,
And it's ano,
5.
as you can see here,
There are
nasayop yung topic,
5.
nasayop yung same. So,
Let's
be careful
try
mo,
another
ha?
one. Count
So,
the
careful mo,
munchkins.
kay matinga mo, adili sa
Be
budagan,
sure to
walang
click
function
Play
na ito,
Now
bro.
to check
So,
your
nasayop
answer.
ko og butang di ari.
1, 2, 3. 3 munchkins. And one more. How many munchkins are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry! Click
Anong mura
Play
gating
Now
mo
to
ang
check
YouTube,
your
sir?
answer.
Oh, sorry,
1,
sorry.
2, 3,
Okay, stop na
4,
ako.
5.
Okay, sorry for that.
Sorry po, sir. Wakay ko.
Kaya sige, ma'am. I will continue. Okay, so I will go back to take this one, YouTube University. So check. Okay. Educational game. So I will go back to blocks. Okay. So So I will do here is i-click na ako ng siya. So na si YouTube University copy. Okay? And then I will go back to my show screen blocks. Okay. So as you can see here, na si YouTube, himo na ko ning edok na lang. Wata na ko mabot ma-change na, di ba? So ako to change balik. Edok game. Edok game lang. Edok game. Yeah, I will go back to the screen 1 nga kuan. So wala na ko ma-change siya kay YouTube gyapon. Himo na kong edok game. Edok game. Okay. So I have already 5 buttons here for the design. Okay? Now, kay mangutana jud mo ani, what if, question is, what if sir, nahurot na nako gamit si tanan. Kanay nagamit na nako ning art for container for art, container for new subject, container for subject 2. Pwede ra na siya, pwede ra mo mag-add. Duplicate ra ninyo, right click, duplicate, and then i-sod na po na to dara. Automatic maka-add na po ka. Now, sir, mag-error ba ni siya na daghan tagibutang di ari nya wala tay function gibuhat dito sa or wa tay button? Wala siya, dili na siya mag-error as long as wala tay gipang tawag nga mangalan didto na mo call up niya walay value matawag. So pwede siya magbutang kag daghan di ara daan. Okay, kaya atong gibutang ra ba diri one is only 5, what if mulapas ta, di ba? What if mulapas tag more than 20 di ara sa kuan. So mag-add ra pug ka didto sa imuhang sa imuhang blocks. So panalitan educational game. Okay? Mag-search sa og let us say unsa nga educational game. Unsa nga website, let us say para sa let me search ha. I like Google. Okay, pwede ka mag-search sa Google mga educational game to integrate to your mobile devices. Okay? Let us say for kids. Okay? Let us say mga National Geographic daw dari. Let us say kani siya, you can integrate, everything can be integrated to your mobile devices. Pwede ka mamili yung depende sa age gap niya. Okay, let us say pananglitan kani siya or this one. I like to integrate this one to the mobile kay very entertaining siya. Daghan tag magamit daghan ng games or quizzes. So you can use this one sa mga bata. Okay? Let us say quizzes or games for quizzes. So imo rang buhaton is you get the link kana sa babaw. The same process kana nga link ra sa babaw imo ibutkuon and then ibutang nimo diara. Okay, sa blocks, go to blocks. Okay, this is the last part ha, there mag-export na dayon ta. Okay, sa edok game dira. So i-paste na ko diari. And then so kompleto na ang ato ang all-in-one nga one. Sa ako ra ning all-in-one ha, para sa ako this is my all-in-one. Pwede magama mo all-in-one po ninyo sa inyo yang ipang-integrate. So I have my modules, my quizzes nga button, my educational game, my YouTube channel, university unsa ako ipangbutang diara. So mo na siya one contents ako all-in-one application. Now, if ever you are done with all the application nga imong gigama, ang imong buhaton is to click export. Kani siya sa upper right, nasa middle part nga kuan, you can see export. So there are two ways here. Generate a QR code for application. So mo na siya nga part nga you're going to use your mobile application or your mobile device to download your application. But hence, there are only 2 hours ra siya, 2 hours dayon mag-expire na dayon siya. Dili na mo nimo share. Una, katong gitudlo na ko last time nga to download an APK of your application, dayon re-upload that one to your one. Asa nimo i-upload? I-re-upload nimo sa imong cloud storage. Dayon ikaw na mo share sa imong mga bata. So for the demonstration purposes, I will click generate QR code and save APK to my computer. Now, ingani siya no, sometimes mag-error lagi ni siya, labi na og natay mga gipangbuhat nga naka-error labi na sa black. So let us try to do this one. Na sometimes ang cause sa error niya is the internet connection ha. Mo na atong buhaton is you try na lang several times, maybe 3 to 5 times. So di gyud siya maka-generate, you try to go back sa imong gipangbuhat basi na kay error dito na labi na pag copy paste nimo sa mga link dito kasagarang error mahitabo ha. Okay, so I will click generate QR code. Okay, so as you can see, automatic na siya baking your application. Okay, okay. Now, katong na mga okay. So katong na mga QR code reader dira, you can try to scan kana siya. I will give you 1 minute to scan kanang ma-display karon nga QR code to test the sample of the mobile application nga atong gigama karon. Kana lang sang sa ako isuway lang sa apo ninyo og download, and then after that you can also download yours sa inyong mga ginama. I will try give you 1 minute to scan that one, and after that I will continue. Kay magkuanta sa unsaon na to pag-customize ang ngan, pag-customize ang logo or icon. Okay? So 1 minute lang.
Sir Cal, hi.
Okay.
Can
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
can we have some shout outs for that 1 minute?
Okay, go ma'am.
Okay, from shout out ko sa tanang teachers sa Jopper Memorial High School. Gisugod jud ko sa akong kinakusgan nga amigo Sir Jimmy C. And from Ma'am Agiro Imelda, thank you po. From Ma'am Florenda Morgado, thank you sir, and more power. And shout out din po ko sir sa at imong mga kauban sir, si Ma'am Debbie. Sir ka, si Ma'am Debbie. Kuha ko kay Bao sa apelido sir.
Samihon
Okay.
ma'am, samihon.
Oo, sa samihon di ay. Ma'am Debbie, hi. To Ma'am Leia Aton. Hi ma'am. To Ma'am Jennifer Tumilap. Okay, nahuman na ang 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Nahuman ang 1 minute. Shout out taso ko kay naka-visit po ko sa messenger kayo. Gamay lang kayo ni shout out to kuan. Ma'am Brisigel Marimon Pobilo. Hi ma'am, good morning. And shout out sa tanang wala ma shout out morning. And shout out to my ex na tan-aw ron sa buang balay sa Dawis. Okay, shout out po tayo sa akong mga family from Dawis, Baclayon, and Trinidad. Hi to everyone. So, naman ako 1 minute, I will continue. Okay, close. I will close this one. Okay, and I will download again, export as an EPK file. So, the good thing about Dynamic is that gamay ra kani siya file. It's because all the file nga atong kinahanglan is taken from third-party sources. So gikan sa mga third party siya. So unyag download nato niya. So as you can see, gamay ra kani siya, na siya around 7 megabyte to 10 megabytes agud siya tungod sa kagamay sa iyang kagamay mo na siya. The app is ready or your EPK is ready to be downloaded. Okay? So after that, it will be showing here sa babaw. Okay. So ga-download na siya sugod, dara all-in-one APK. So kani siya katong ingon nako nga this is the file nga imong i-share sa imong estudyante. Download that one, upload to your drive or any cloud storage nga naa ka, and then share to your student para wala siya gyoy expiration. The good thing pud aning Codular is that dili niya i-delete imong file. May nakanindot di pareha sa kuan sa app user nga iyang i-delete. Okay? Okay. Now, ato siyang i-customize. Asa na to pag-customize? Ang iyang name lang siguro aron mag-ina dayon ko. So, ang iyang screen, i-click na to ng screen to customize. Let us say you want to customize the background of your page kana siya. So, the background of my page, color green, I will change that one. So, I will change here kaning background image. Click that one. Okay, so I have here a predefined, pre-uploaded nga mga file. Okay, so I will choose na lang sa mga pre-uploaded file nako. Let us say kanini siya. So as you can see, na-outro siya. Ulit ta ganahan kay di mo complement sa ato ang button, then select another file. Okay, pareha na. So kung gusto sa ta mag-upload, ato na siya i-click kani sa upload file. Dayon, mangita ta asa dapit na locate ang ato ang mga file. Let us say kaning let us say dark, okay, white matokong kuan, mangita kog dark. Okay, let us say kani siya anatomy. So it will be uploaded. Okay. So once it will be uploaded, I will select this one and use the anatomy nga image. So as you can see, na-customize na ako akong background image. Okay, this is for my menu lang ha. Okay? And then, if you want to change the name, so screen 1 gihapon ta, kay mo man na kunti na to ha. Screen 1, then scroll down, this is the title of your application. Title ni siya, kani siya all-in-one app. This is the title. Okay? But you can choose to hide your title or delete your title. Again, I will uncheck that one. So mawala ng title. Or I will check to show the title. So ako lang ipakita siya. Then sa babaw, you can see also the app name nara. Okay? All-in-one app name. So na siya app name. Ug gusto nimo utrohon, diha ra nimo i-change. Okay, tag DepEd Bohol. Okay. So change that one automatic ma-change sa siya. DepEd Bohol. Now if you want to change also the logo, kay og kita mo change og logo, ang iyang default logo is kaning letter key which is for Codular. Now if you want to change the logo or the icon of your application, so naagapon ra sa screen, and then diara sa iyang menu, you look for the icon, this one. So I will use the DepEd menu. So mahimo ng icon nako is the DepEd, kana siya unyag upload na nako. Okay? So I think more na siya sa customization there. Okay, ma'am, I think that would be all for this morning. Sa ako ang part, I am ready for the Q&A. Kaya daghan na po mareklamo ron sa gadali na po. Mamara.
Hi, sir. Sige, sir. Kanang mag-raise lang kog mga concerns, mga pila lang kabuok, sir, kay sa akong pagbasa sa mga comments nila kay more parehas ra pod, sir, ha? So, okay, first,
sige,
sir,
ma'am.
from Ma'am Josephine Abayabay. Dili maka-download, sir. Too many users have viewed. Unsa ko na siya, sir?
Maybe ang
Sa
iyang email nga di sa katong kuan sa EIA niya pasabot di maka-download.
Yes,
Kaya
sir.
okay ra to siya, ma'am. Pwede siya maka-download ug balik adto. Or dili gud niya di siya maka-download, pwede niya maka-personally chat siya nako or i-email ba ko niya kay pwede na ko siya one-on-one ug maglisod po siya.
Oh, napoy giingon ni Ma'am Rachel Maria, sir, not authorized to download daw the file. Bisa
Okay,
ni-follow siya sa steps.
I think ang ilahang gipasabot ana ma'am nga kuan is katong gi-download nga file sa kuan sa Google Drive or wala nag-specify nga unsay cannot download siguro is what ako ra siguro
na ra, sir.
pag-assume is ang assumption nako ma'am is katong sa kuan maybe siguro ma'am sakto too many users downloading katong file sa Google Drive mong nag-error siya. Pero they can siguro download it later na lang, then they can practice also. Kaya ako sa emphasize balik ma'am ha nga
okay, sir.
Due to this technicality yun aning mobile application, dili siya pareha atong sa app user, you need to review and revisit again the video. Dili gyud siya makuha kas ara gyud nato nga practice ha. Mo gyud ako i-emphasize ninyo ha. Thank you ma'am.
Okay, sir. Murag kuan po, sir, gitry nila o view ang downloaded file. Unya di kuno sa ka-view, murag di man siguro kinahanglan, sir, no?
Dili na i-view ma'am, i-download na.
Okay, so murag dili na sa ganina sa steps nga gihatag ni sir, dili na to i-view. So no need kay napoy pangutana lain ni sir, what app kuno in Windows ang mo read sa template.
What apps in the Windows? Walay application maka-read ma'am, but the browser nga kaning Codular, MIT Inventor and the Tankable. Mora siya makabasa ani ma'am. Wala siya application na makabasa og EIA.
Okay, sir. So murag dili naman sa to kinahanglan gid, sir, no? Kay di ba ato ra tong kuan sad i-upload sa
import raman.
Import, yes, sakto nga.
I-import ra na to to be utilized na to kani siya nga template.
Okay. So kani sir murag dako ni nga concern. I-offer na lang
Sige ma'am.
i-offer na lang gid kuno na nga course sir ba as course. Kay di madaog webinar lang in 2 hours. What do you think, Sir
Ma'am,
Cal?
pwede ra siya ma'am, presa akong gibuhat atong kuan, na-apil kay ato ma'am katong gama gyud mi gama galingong webinar nga ga one on one gyud.
Okay.
Pwede rin
Ah,
nato nga mabuhat ma'am. Mo contact lang sila nako. Daghan po may team diri sa Kalapi nga pwede maka-offer ana maka one on one mi sa kuan basta na lang may free time.
okay. So pwede kinsa may
Uh,
kontakon sir ikaw, sir?
Pwede rag ako'y kontakon ma'am. Gusto sila mag one on one kay para pod sa mga daghan pong details nga idugang ma'am kay dili man namo dili wala na ko makuha tanan diri within 2 hours daghan pa jud dapat itudlo. O pwede mag one on one, pwede ra nato maapas ana.
So through Facebook na lang, sir, Messenger.
Facebook Messenger or sa email ma'am sa sila makakuan.
Ihatag palihog imong email, sir, email ad.
Okay, akong i-post lang siguro ako dito sa kuan ma'am.
I-post lang
Facebook
sa
page.
FB page. Okay. Okay, so
Ron na
again, sa
makakuan
mga
sila.
mga concern, you can always reach out Sir Callen with his email ad or kanang through Facebook. So far, sir, sa ako pong pagbasa-basa, sir, na po sa concern kuno mga sila hard copy. Sa una ni ato.
Hard copy. What do you mean by hard copy ma'am? The
Hard
application
copy
or
sa imuha kunong presentation karon, sir.
Okay. Actually, wala na ko gagama lagi po og kuan ni slide. It's because diri ko nag-focus sa kuan sa sana sa live view niya. Pero I will try to make a slide. Pero di ko dayon na kay complicated magsipog gama sa slide mo ko, the screenshot na pod. So makahatag ko pero dili automatic.
Dili pa karon siguro.
Di pa karon dayon, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, noted, sir. How about answer? If this app isn't available offline, then this is not applicable to my students?
Muna akong emphasize ganina, ma'am, nga kuan yun siya, since this is dynamic, kinahanglan yung siya internet connection, applicable na siya sa mga area nga na yung mga internet. Mo tong yun na itong ganina nga, ito din sa Pugos, we are only giving teachers a choice o unsay pwede nato magamit or mahatag sa ilaha.
Okay. So another question, sir, na answeran after your discussion?
Kayo. Dili mo wala na.
Okay. Bitawag na-mention na to nako kanang from the start nga na-answeran for the assessment that will serve as your attendance and you have to get 6 out of 10 aron makakuha mo sa e-certificate. Okay, Murag, so far, Murag, mauto, sir. Again, ako lang emphasize, no, Murag, we can always reach out to Sir Callen regarding this one, kung natay mga problems na gusto pag-yun nato, ma-raise. And I'm so happy, sir, nga, Murag, atong mga teachers kay eager, jud kay sila makat-on na ni sir. As in.
Lagi, ma'am, gusto ko makat-on po sila, ma'am. Munang mo-offer ko one-on-one session. Basta na lang ko sila kayo.
Bitaw. So, thank you kayo, Sir Callen. Napakay shout out, sir. Murag 12-1 na, sir. Unya.
Wala na, ma'am. Okay na ko, ma'am. Asa among District ICT day. Good morning sa District ICT, ma'am. Ivy Mante. Hi, ma'am.
Okay, hi. Okay, so I think that would be all. Thank you, Sir Callen. Thank you so much for sharing with us your expertise. I know, giunsa gito nimo pag-discover tanan, sir, no? I cannot imagine. But we're so lucky in the division of Bohol nga naagi ka, sir, willing to kanang kuan pod ba share your talent and your knowledge about this one. Thank you,
yes,
Sir Callen.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you, sir, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, can I have
yes, ma'am. Ako stop ang sharing, ma'am, ha?
Okay. For a while lang, ha? For a while, I'll have to Sir Callen, are you still there? Pagsaba-saba sa survey kay murag nawa ko. Okay, again, thank you so much. Sir Kalin, madungog ko, sir. Sir Kal, hi. Okay, so thank you so much, Sir Kalen, for your expertise. Again, I would like to remind everyone of the following dates for our SDU Bohol Contextualized Webinars Part 2. We have already online assessment tools that was on last Monday, July 20, mobile app development part 2 today, and then on July 24 we will have creating interactive learning material using the IXE learning application. On July 27 we'll have other edtech tools. On July 29 we will have Bohol LMS or the Bohol Learning Management System Part 1, and on July 31 we will have our Bohol LMS Part 2. Okay, for our end of session task, we have the link here. This will be the link for your assessment and the evaluation. So kindly have or access this link, https://tinyurl.com slash bohwp2s2 survey. And then for from ISDO Bohol Task Force ICT platforms. Thank you so much and for everyone for watching us.